Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Poor sleep alone rarely causes the early absence of a fetal heartbeat, but chronic sleep problems can raise stress levels and affect overall health, which might influence pregnancy outcomes. Expecting mothers should prioritize good sleep and consult healthcare providers if they have concerns about fetal development or pregnancy health.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.